All right, we are back. I am back with another Let's Code. I know it's been forever. I haven't really been maintaining anything on the YouTube channel. But actually, I really appreciate all the support. I think I have around 50 subscribers already, and I don't do any advertisements or promotions or anything. So I'm glad everyone likes the channel and likes the content. And all I need is feedback, what you guys would like to see more of. If you like these less codes, or if you think they're too long and boring, and you'd rather have like more small format, I guess like lesson-based videos, let me know. But anyway, so here, yeah, I'm actually starting like enterprise work again on Monday, like a standard 9 to 5 job, although it's only about a 60% contract. But I wanted to kind of start working on yet another SaaS product that I thought up over this past week. It kind of came to me quite quickly, actually, so I can show you guys like the inspiration. So if you guys know about DevRants, someone posted this in DevRants, and I thought it was quite funny. So it's obviously a GitHub issue thread, and let me try and finish this espresso. Someone just comments, "Were you able to resolve the issue?" And then the apparently the repository author says, "No, I decided I don't care." So I thought this was really funny. But my idea was that you could basically customize these components. So for now, I'm keeping it simple. I'm thinking you have there's two formats, just a single, like you could have, you could imagine some stupid comment like, "I hate this library," and then you could add and customize basically all of these. So you can customize the avatar, the name, the date, the contributor, and then, or these tags, I guess, and also the emojis. So yeah, there's going to be a single possibility, so just a single comment, and then a two pair. And then these will be printed as stickers. So I've created a printful store, and obviously in this Let's Code today, we're not going to get through the whole flow, but I'll show you what I have so far, and we'll go through some a bit of TypeScript React components, and I'll show you what I have in mind. And yeah, we'll see how far we get in probably like the next hour or so. So yeah, so I as I said, I have done a little bit already, just because I think what I did before, if I made a video, it might be a bit boring. So yeah, here's what I have. I've got basically what I did was I used Chrome's download source ability, and downloaded the source. Actually, I think I went to Facebook React, and one of the top commented the top commented threads, just because I wanted a rich example of all the possibilities, like with these multiple emojis. And then what I did was chop down. I'll show you even this, though it looks simple, there's quite a bit of HTML markup behind it. So I ended up purging some CSS, and I've gotten it down to, let's see, I don't even know, it's still considerable. It's 600 lines. So, and I know I've already determined there's a small class here. Let me just show you. I think yeah, I've already determined, like I said, the two. If there's no bottom padding, then you've got this little track thing here, so it'll be exactly like this original image. And yeah, as long as GitHub keeps their styles consistent, which I think for the past few years it's been quite close to this, then I only need to do this once, all this markup in classes and CSS work, and then it should work. And then I can always I can always replace the CSS later, and the markup, I guess. But basically, this is only a small part of the final product. But what this will be is a React component, and you either have one of them or two of them, and then yeah, you save your arrangement that you like, and you can print out a sticker for that. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I have no idea how how much people will like it. At the very least, what we can do is make like you can save them, and it'll at least be kind of like a mini, like a niche social network for funny issues uh, that are uploaded. All right, espresso done. Let's get to this. So yeah, so I want to. I'm at a point where it could maybe be a bit better. This markup um could be a bit cleaner, but I'm happy for now. There's probably stuff in here that doesn't contribute to the actual layout because in the end we only want the visual layout. Even like these hover styles could eventually be removed, right? So, but that's yeah, I can do that later. Yeah, so let's just get into this. So I also have here I've got like a Gatsby boilerplate together. Um yeah, and I can plug what I'm doing here. It's Git Stickers. I already bought the domain because I'm out of control. So yeah, just like a boilerplate site. Let's see, this should pop up as soon as I'm gonna slide this over here. All right, localhost 8000. Oh, and what I should mention here is this is hosted with just serve. I think you can see it, right? Where is the code? Yeah, here I'm just running serve the npm package, so it's just a static server, and you can just do like these purged. I'm using these right now. You can just do the href to the file. So purged frameworks I'm using, and this custom is for the few little styles that I needed. Right. So let's see here. We want to create. We've got the home page. And I think I do want to keep it separate. So I'm gonna call it create. And I'll just copy this over here. So I like in Gatsby, I like to keep the actual pages. So in Gatsby, these are special, and these will create literally the index is just the root page. This will be /create. So this is literally the static HTML page at /create, and that's the /404. Maybe call it create a sticker, and we're not in home anymore, but this will be create. And yeah, so like I said, I like keeping the actual pages that get generated very small, and they point to the more complex React component. And I keep them here in components, pages, and then yeah, create, lowercase, and then not a folder, and then create. I've got a little shortcut here. Oops. A function component. So, save that. And maybe we just, if I go into the home component here, I'll just make a button, or not a button. Sorry, we can do a link too. That's why Gatsby is awesome. I don't know. Import this from Gatsby. I'm gonna need some sort of, I usually use Bootstrap because I'm super lazy. So I don't have Bootstrap in, but those will be the button styles. Let's just see how we're doing so far. Yeah, it's just a link, and I suck. So, what? Oh, I gotta actually save the file. That may assist you. Okay. Right, and I also was looking at just a quick, I found a quick fiddle. Basically, what I imagine is the left will be all the drop downs and settings to build this, and the right will be this basically this live display. So right now, I will just be building out the right side, I guess, which is just this React component, and then we'll have some various props. Sooner or later, I'm gonna have to put in the Bootstrap styles so I can get all those fancy drop downs and everything. Let me get rid of this. So yeah, I'm gonna again just steal this. Don't need any of that crap. I just need these three. All right, so I'm gonna need my HTML to JSX. This little fancy guy, I use this all the time. It just does all the JSX conversion. Basically, in this case, it's just the class name stuff. Right. So, how do we want to do this? Let's just call it settings, maybe. Or even, you know what? We will do... These are probably going to get complex, so we'll do settings, and then should we call it result? And result, these are it's kind of general. Maybe sticker? I don't know. Right. And we're probably, it's already, we're going to need Redux and all these things. So, but yeah, let me just do, I'm focused on importing this, this markup into the Gatsby project. So that's what we're going to focus on right now. Maybe, let's call it a sticker preview. Yeah, that's okay for now. Yeah. I don't know. And then settings.tsx will also be perfect. So like H2 settings, I guess. Preview. Maybe this should be preview. Maybe this should be sticker preview. I'm not sure. And then keep all the generation in there. Maybe. Yeah, let's do that. We'll do, so this will be preview. This seems like pedantic and annoying, but for me, the classification and names are important. And to keep the components as small as possible, right? So, right, sticker preview. Yeah, so let's let's just freaking throw it in. Just throw it in. Uh, yeah, that's fun. So, oh boy, I didn't check. I wonder if these. Let's try this. I'm gonna do if I get rid of those classes. Yeah, that's also weird. Word wrap break word on the body. Okay. See how that goes. Oh no. So we do need those classes then. But obviously it can't be on the body. Let's do this. Make a div. Does it still like us? All the way down before the body. Doesn't matter really. Format that. Oop, what did I do? It's okay. Whoa. Okay, back. Fixed. Okay, so, right, and again, we can't copy and paste this directly. We've got to convert it to JSX. So, it would be this whole thing. Boop. And I'll have to import the styles as well. So we don't need this. Just need, oh. I gotta do as I say and not as I do to actually convert it. So, right. Wee, all the way down. All this stuff. The heck? I got like a lazy loader here. What? What? Careful. No, no, not till the end. Not till the end. What is this weird? Okay, here. That's weird. All right. Yeah, this they also had this G emoji. I don't know what that is. G emoji. I'm not sure if we can keep it. I don't know if this will even compile or if React will appreciate us. Gonna have to import this. What? All right, not setting. We're gonna do settings and was it preview? Do all our imports. Hello. Hmm. Uh-huh. That's my bad. Ah. It's preview. Boop. Yeah, sticker preview. Here it is. All right. Boop. Import this now. Okay. Yeah, and we need to start building the styles. So, right, I put it in SRC, styles. I like SCSS. So for these ones, the ones stolen from the fiddle. Just need these, right? Although, yeah, this probably could be done with Bootstrap. I have to, for now it's okay. And I will just call, gonna need another one, but it will just be, I'm just gonna call it GitHub. And that is these combined. Big old CSS file. Oops. So that's all our used for the yeah, I have to look up the way to do this with Gatsby, because we don't want the GitHub styles conflicting. I think OBS is starting to impact my speed here, the CPU. Right. Seems simple enough. Module CSS. Let me just import it. I will put it in a new folder. Boop. Just because it looks like GitHub is also using some version or some sort of Bootstrap-like styles, and once we import Bootstrap, we don't want them conflicting. So we want them namespaced. Okay, is it just be pure CSS? Yep. Okay. And then oh no, but then we'll have to do the whole oh no, I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, it's painful because we'll have to do the whole object style notation for the whole component. Because I don't think it will work. If I just go in here. Oops. What is it? Should be. Are they doing it? Yeah, this one. Go back, go back, go back. And it's what? This may not work. This probably won't work. And let's see what we've got so far. Not bad. All right, and I need to import. Yeah, let me just import it's a nice docs for this, but I always forget it. I'm pretty sure they even have post CSS additional. I've forgotten how to do it. I'd have to either look at one of my other projects. Why is it so slow? It's slow, it's slow. Okay. Bootstrap, right. Let me hop in. I'm just gonna cheat. Hello. I will take it from wheel screener because I know I did it there. So let's see. I think it's in, yeah. Styles main. SCSS. Right. Ah, okay, and it's imported. It's imported from the npm module. Yeah, and there's some Bootstrap's like right in between 4 and 5 right now, I think. But we can do 5 if we want. Yeah, so let me see here. Okay, in addition to vendor. But these will be our global styles. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Our case, I'm not sure why I called it main. I usually do styles. So browser. Within, because actually we'll get those flex styles. Oops. Let me see I need the recommended install from Bootstrap because they're always, there's so many versions, and I think it's Bootstrap next to get to be able to use version 5 to look. So that is 5. Is it out of no, seems okay. It's not beta. So where is npm install? Anybody? No, I don't want. The reason we don't want to do it this way is because Gatsby ships with, like, you don't have to do any, as long as you do the Gatsby browser thing, it will inline all your styles, which is awesome for the whole SEO story. With this, of course, you're loading the whole thing. That's no good. I wonder if it's just Bootstrap. Back in my day, it wasn't just Bootstrap. It was some complex thing like Bootstrap next. I don't know. Come on. All right. Maybe. Have to see what happens. So, what did it give us? Hey, 5. Okay, progress. Hopefully. Right, so I need. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna replace this stuff as junk. That's really what I should have done at the beginning. So what is it? Flex. These I don't know if you can do that in Bootstrap. But this, we can just do the flex. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of you. Sorry, bro. See ya. Yeah. Seems okay. What's happening? I think I probably have to restart since I changed the Gatsby browser. Seems like nothing has changed. Let's do that real quick. And we can start I'm already going to start defining props for the sticker preview. And then we'll start scaffolding. Yeah, we have to add Redux as well, since they're nested components. Just make a store or a slice of state for the just call it sticker settings maybe, and then we'll go from there. Start building that out. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it never finds that image, which is also super annoying. I think I have to clear the cache. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. So that's our create page. Settings is empty. Sticker preview is the giant imported GitHub style. Yeah, let me I'm not gonna do the module. Maybe we can just do this and there's still namespace, but then the styles probably won't work. I have to see. I have to see. Oh, this one. Oh, yeah. Maybe save. Man. Oops. Now I'm in Bash. Jeez. Okay. Yeah. Can't type either. There. Finally. Huh. Oh, I need read the docs. Read the docs. I need the built-in CSS support. SaaS. Yeah. This does not. The boilerplate I took does not have. I'm gonna have to add it. Kill the process. Install the stuff. And I gotta include you in config. Always the same, always the same. I'll just put it here. Okay. Run, start, run, start, run, start. Boop, 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 boop. Meanwhile, start looking at Redux because I'm a boomer and I don't remember how to maybe getting started. I don't know. Because I want to follow the new pattern of here we go. Yeah, it's also with Gatsby again, it's like another step. You need a wrapper around the whole thing. Yeah, Redux toolkit. Let's go. And I have I think I made a blog post about you need to do some special typings. Does that include Redux? I'm not sure if that must include Redux, right? As a peer. What do you mean? This is why. Yeah, because you're not. How far back is it? See, it's back to pages and components. Man, yeah, so it might be triple. I think it's this one. Check it in the browser here. My machine is smoking. The OBS running at 1080p. Here we go. Looking better. Yeah, I can't modulize that. I think it's conflicting. But I'm gonna have to at some point. Didn't think about that one. Is it the fact that it's a module? Or is it just you have to see. Just move that out. Rename you. I don't know if that will actually do anything. Hey, it actually did something. Okay. There's some small stuff. Spacing is interesting. Maybe I need a good old. Let's see here. Where is that? That will anyway become a separate component. Yeah, it's probably this weird right? It's G emoji, whatever that means, nobody knows. Yeah, you have just a space there. Okay. So yeah, does the Redux, let's see if Redux, probably overthinking. Redux toolkit doesn't install Redux. Okay. So we need to install Redux. Create store. I have to look how I did this again on Wheel Screener. I did the, but in any event, I have to install this, the Redux package. Always fun at the beginning, just installing packages and other nonsense. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into the look at this wheel screener because I think I also did just store. So look, store, right? Like the forms uses the new. Because then you need all this stuff. That's the config. Don't need that. Yeah, I need all this stuff for the so that's SSR. Boop. And you also need it in browser. And that comes after the requires. I've seen it all before. All right. Right, so the actual wrap with provider here. I also have Redux persist. We do not need that for now, but we'll just chop it out. Okay. We need React Redux too. Store. So I don't need the Redux persist stuff. Oh, yeah, but this is like, this is copied from Gatsby. This is why you need the store and the wrap root element. Because it's static. Okay. So I don't need this. And I do need to see how I configured the store here. Look at me, I'm a senior developer. I just copy code from previous projects. Huh? Right, and the configure store is from the toolkit. Nice. Okay. Forms reducer. Right, even though it's called form slice, like that's the recommended, you import it as a. Yeah, okay. Right, persist config I do not need. I think we can just do this. And what did I say? I was gonna call it like sticker settings. And this is sticker settings reducer. Right, and it's gonna be this format. Right. Sticker settings slice. So let's do that. Yes. Am I correct? I also need these types. That's the that was the trick, right? Oop, 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 yep, oop. Again, we only need will be should do it. Right. No, wait. These do not exist yet. Netlify action types. Root action types. What is this? That's for a separate thing. I only need the app state. Right? Don't need you. I'm just gonna copy this pattern. Right. Now we can actually get to the meat of the state. We are gonna have avatar URL string. So this is gonna be Yeah, because it's not installed. All right. npm run React Redux. Oh boy. Okay. Wow, that was it. Space is missing everywhere. So we've got, right, the URL, the username, string, maybe a date, which I won't put as date type because you could do something funny like Christmas Eve or something like that. And maybe yeah, let's do what do they call them? Labels. Or what? The inspector opens. Label. We can do labels will be an array of strings, and what else? We're gonna need a type for these guys. It'll be the emoji and then the number. The text, of course, we need that. Text is just a string. And yeah, what do they call these? Reactions are. And this will be in an array of I reaction, which is not defined. Just gonna put it in here. I guess you've got the emoji, which is string, and then the count, which is a number. And I'm gonna do what I usually do, and within src, I make a folder called interfaces. This is iReaction ts. Can you export default info? Yeah. People don't like. Whatever. So import that. Easy. Sticker setting state. Because this is almost, it's not quite exactly the props we need for the sticker itself, because we'll have other options like if there should be two of these or one, but then everything else will be these props. So and we've got to get rid of all this forms reference. Initial state. Yeah, I can take over the that's a bad name. Avatar image URL. Remember, I'm very specific with my naming. So go look at date. What do I have here? Whee! We're cranking now. Labels. Labels. Village idiot. No, that is not a standard label. Although I don't know. I think you can define custom ones in GitHub. Text. Actually, yeah, that could be a React component. You could put like links and stuff in. For now, we just keep it simple. We can change that later. And the reactions, this one's going to be a bit more fun. to define. We've got thumbs up. Can I copy? It's going to be a pain. Luckily, I have this Joy Pixels. What did I say? Emoji? Boop. Count. 2, 3, 6. Alright, I'm just gonna. Whee! What do we got here? Smile of some sort. That has 23. Confetti. Boop. That has 21. What else we got here? This guy. What is it? Disappointed or something? Hello. Uh-oh, I'm blowing up my computer. Here we go. It's like the slightly frowning, isn't it? I don't know. We'll see. No, wrong. You are wrong. Where is it? Here we go. Confused. 5 people were confused. And the heart, of course. Easy enough. Maybe not. There it is. 24. That's that. Like I said, that has to be refactored into its own component. Rocket. Ah. Hello. There's one more after the rocket, eh? Really, OBS is hammering my computer. Everything's slow. And then the eyes. You can't type. Okay. Oh, okay. Man, this is gonna be painful. Okay, eyes. Right. Good. Reducers. Yeah, we're gonna have all the reducers. Super simple example. Yeah, they don't. That's another thing. I mean, these are just like setters, basically. They're text. All right. I need the example with the props. I think I have one more. Don't I have a slice? I did one more with a. I guess not. All right. Go to the docs here. How does it work? Case. It's the reducer. How do you pass stuff? What? Where is it? Incremented, yeah, but I need a when you pass a value. Hmm. Oh, action. can it accept an action? What? Writable draft. Can it? I don't even know. I think you do this. Oh no, I know. I have I have another project I can cheat from. This one has the full. This has the full. I started from the beginning with the Redux toolkit way of doing things. Wheel screener is still a mix of the old patterns. So this one has right. This has the special. Yeah, I need this. Give me this one. I need this for my index. This is the fancy new. So I don't need you. Goodbye, wheel screener. Sorry. Man, I feel like it's only the visual things that are slow because OBS is probably chewing up the GPU. Anyway. Oh, 4 minutes till an hour. It might go a bit over because I wanna get to a certain point. Would be quite mean to cut off the video at this point. All right, index. Oh, so I don't even have a types in the right. So this is not editors. We can simply call it sticker settings. Okay. So I don't need types. Get them out of here, or do I? No, types. I do wish to delete types, but I feel like I don't know. I should also say I haven't been doing React in like a few weeks. That's a good excuse. That's why it's so slow. Payload action. Does that come from the library? Yeah, it's from the toolkit. Okay. Yeah. Payload action. And it's just we can just do action. Sure. Sure. Do I need to state I don't define it? Already knows. Payload action, right? And then this would be like we're gonna call this find and then we go this equals action dot this, which is this string. String only refers to a type, but is being used as a value here. Oh, because I need to. Oh. There you go. Import that. Payload. Love it. What? Oh, Boolean. The heck? Do I need to? Huh? Oh, wait, what? Oh, I think it was just a copy paste there. Oh, yeah, sorry. Let me hop in. Where are you? It's like a CDN, something CDN. There we go. Easy. Now I'm lost. Where are we? Boop. Boom. Yeah, for all the strings, we just call it like defined. You're not supposed to do like set. It's against the like the namings of your reducers, even though that's what it is. You're setting a value, but it's not in the best practices. Hey guys, even with Redux Toolkit, it's just copy and pasting. That's why you should use reduxplate.com that will generate your Redux state for you. Yeah, okay. Small plug. Anyway. Yeah, so what do we got? Date. Oh. Oh, yeah. I mean, maybe like provided. I don't know. Not sure what a good name is for that. Okay, date. What else? Yeah, we need to. I've got some fancy functions for when you have arrays. Labels. Because like, and I should also look. Like label added. Label deleted. But which one? Yeah, maybe you need an ID. Doesn't matter. Really, let me just. Oh, sorry. Got labels, text, easy enough. And the reactions. Yeah, now we need all these. Oh no. Oh no! Username. What do we got? Date. Other things. Labels. Text. Reactions. Format. Slice of state. Yay! Now I need to check. There's a way I use these types somewhere. Okay, not here, not only the exported ones. Ah, yes. So you can type your stuff. I gotta make a blog post on this. It's good stuff. Hooks, Redux hooks. Yep. 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 Hooks. So the reason behind this is you can get TS. You can get typed. I'll show you as soon as I hook it into the component, into the sticker component. Instead of using the built-in React Redux use dispatch and use selector, you have a typed one, and you will only use these two throughout your app. So then when you use those hooks, you don't have to also always, because if you don't, everywhere you use dispatch for TypeScript to be happy, you need to pass in the app dispatch as the generic type and blah blah blah. So this one's already typed, so you import that one, and the types are inferred. inferred by TypeScript. But I feel like I use those elsewhere. Aren't they something to do with the Gatsby? No, I guess not. This one is used in what? It's for sure used somewhere. Yeah. Am I still correct? Ah. I think it should be okay. Okay. So, stuff. Right, and this is JSX. So actually the wheel screener is wrong. File label's wrong. That's another thing too. So like nowadays things like I think like the TypeScript compiler and Babel doesn't care. They don't care if it's JSX or TSX. Uh, but for your fellow developers and you yourself, these file endings are important. So it's not a JavaScript file. It's just JSX syntax, so it's a JSX file. I think it's important. You can debate me. You can fight me. So, let's see if nothing exploded yet. Okay. Ah! Error in function eval. I don't know what that means. Let's just make sure that's not an old. There's something going wrong. Wait. What? Eh? I've done something wrong. Form slice. Where are you? Oh. Right. Sticker setting slice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see if we get no red. That is the goal. All right, now to close off this video, since we're getting over an hour, we're gonna connect the stuff, the settings with the preview. Let's just do like the username. Yeah, let's just do the username, date, and text. And then we can see it like change in real time. So what we're gonna do is a thing where you do some stuff. So I think it's, let's do you don't really need a form. I need a text input or an input. Input. Ooh, an input group. Fancy. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, but I don't need these fancy things. I just need a input group. Oh, so they're just spans. I do that for the accessibility. Gotcha. Describe by. Can't you just put a label? This is way too complicated. I just want Maybe they have a simple example here. Put group. There we go. Label. What? Email help. Okay. I don't even need that. I need this. And it doesn't, since we've got Redux, we don't need a form either. I'm not using an actual form. Ah. This will be not. Form label. Username. This is just text. Now I have to unchange, eh? I need to think, dude. I just called dispatch directly, eh? My brain's not working. I think you're just gonna have this, and then we're gonna dispatch. No. Let me cheat again. Where are you? Use app dispatch, as I mentioned. Because we're just... yeah, we should pull everything. We're gonna need both. Gonna need a full state, right? For the initial values. It's gonna be awesome! Oops, no, I'm stupid. No! Didn't I just put it there? It's right here, man. Let's go, TypeScript. There you are. My app's too complex for the editor. All right. Right, but we don't want the code. We want sticker settings, and we're gonna get it all. Avatar, image URL, other stuff. Now you see it's typed. That's the great thing with this use app selector. We have everything we need. But yeah, let's just do for now, so I can close out this video. We're just gonna do date, the username, the date, and what did I say? The text. Should be nice. Yeah, now how do you... I think it's default value, right? I'll have to see. May yell at me with the whole like controlled component thing, but we'll see. Username, date. Right, and the dispatch is what do I dispatch? How do I dispatch? Right, and you import the dispatch is, what did we call it? Username defined with what we need, which is username. That's not an object, though. Wait, what? Unchange. This is an event, or username is the event target value. Boom, done. Let me format this because it's just going to be the same thing over and over again. All right. This is going to be, let me copy this whole. This one is, I'll call this date, 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 date. Right. Okay. And the last one's just called text, eh? Capitalize this. Should be okay. See how it looks there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we just gotta hook it in. Basically copy this, throw it in the sticker preview, and then find in this mess where all that nonsense goes. Right, nice. Okay, so where are you, my friend? You are now username? Yeah, this relative time. Yeah, because it's not a real HTML5 tag. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'll probably get rid of those G emoji. I don't know. I don't know how they're I don't know what they're doing. Okay. Surprised that GitHub has that in the actual HTML source. I can neither confirm nor deny. This is also, they're all made up. All right. What else do we have to text it? What is the actual content? This is where the text goes. This is nice, beautiful. So, this is it. Drum roll, please. If I know what I'm doing. I want to put even before another space here. Nice. Okay. So, drum roll should update in real time. Let's go. All right. Sweet. Wow. 2042 Battlefield. All right. Cool. Everything's working. Cool. Got a little overlap here with the emoji. But yeah, basically, probably in the next video, we'll get on to a few of the more complex things, like these emojis. And then it becomes complicated. You have to say, like, save. We'll generate a picture. I haven't figured out how to do that. Like sending HTML. If I send the entire HTML block to a server to do it, that's like that's some fun security issues, because anyone could just paste in some JavaScript, and then if I run Phantom.js, for example, to take the screenshot, then you get the injection, blah 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 blah. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I hope you liked this. I hope it was interesting. There were some points where I was a bit slower, but you saw like my workflow. I used Bootstrap, and then I added some custom styles. In this case, it's very special. I'm very happy that there was no conflict so far in the styles, but we imported like the whole GitHub stuff just for this component. And then you saw how to use the Redux toolkit, and you can super quick just hook up all your props and everything with that use app dispatch and the use app selector. What is it called? Use app selector, yeah. Is it use app dispatch? Yeah, use app dispatch. So yeah, really cool. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and then I'll be probably making another video eventually again with these props. And we'll see where we go from there. I'm happy. I'm happy it came together there at the end. Worked pretty nicely. So long video, but yeah, again, comment if you like these. If you think they're boring and they're too long to watch and you don't learn anything, or I can start like trying to label them, but then that'll take more time. Like I can label certain parts and certain sections of what I'm doing, or I can do more focused ones, which would be also it'd probably take some time to make, but for you guys would be like a shorter video, like 5 minute, very focused video. But again, that would take planning on my part to put them together that way instead of this way where it's just I just code and then maybe you pick up a few things here and there. I don't know. Just let me know. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna finish this one up. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And until next time, see you guys.